little brother. What's up, Fred?
Are you driving trucks yet?
No, not yet.
Next year? Maybe.
Maybe.
He turned 14 like a couple weeks ago.
So he did that when he was 13.
Yeah, he did that when he was 13.
Oh no! All right, wait, no, we gotta.
Here's the weird part. We have to go this side. He's going to that side.
Yeah. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, let me. Are you nervous?
No.
I mean, should we walk around? I mean, this is a full-blown.
Let's walk around this.
280 wheelbase, 389. This is a 565, 1850 torque, 18-speed transmission, 280 wheelbase, 78-inch stand-up.
All right, don't you dare start it yet. We gotta hop on the other side. I gotta see this.
Good on my end, sir.
Here, let me get this. Let me have this. Look at this, people. The kid doesn't even touch the damn clutch. Don't tell me. When do you use the clutch?
Only when you putting it in gear.
Oh my God. What's going on, Mutha Truckers?
What is up?
We're hanging out today with Brian and Luke from Semi Casual at the Semi Casual show out here in Tennessee, man. How y'all doing?
We're good. We're good.
You know.
So we got Luke Rathwish. You're the grand old age of 14.
Yep.
He's like 14 going on 30. Like the most adult 14-year-old ever. Y'all got a truck out here, right?
Yep. 2 of them.
2 of them.
Yep.
Over out front.
Yep.
What are they? Which ones?
The nicest ones.
The nicest ones. They've got the legendary brown flat top with the fuel tanker, and he's got the silver truck next to it. Y'all's family runs trucks. What are y'all doing?
We haul fuel in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and some northern Illinois. We have like 25 trucks now in trailers. We just do that all the time, hauling fuel. Sometimes we go to Seattle with soybean oil, but
What do you do up there?
where?
At the shop. Y'all got 24 trucks. What do you
Moving.
do up there? You washing
Wash
them?
them and service them and do
So
a
you
lot of
wash all the
mechanical
trucks?
stuff. Most of them.
Most of them?
Yep, whenever they're there.
You work on them?
Mhm. Yep.
Like, what do you mean you work on them? Like, you work on them?
Service them.
Like, you use
change them.
tools?
Yeah.
I'm just joking. I actually know he does all these things.
You know, he's starting to. Luke, you're starting to make a lot of us truck drivers look bad, man. You know, but when you grow up, what do you want to be, brother? Honestly.
Truck driver.
Really? There's nothing else.
No.
I mean, you've been washing these trailers since you were like 6, 7 years old. There's nothing else you want to do?
No.
Man.
How do you wash the trailers? Like, they pull them in for you and then you just wash them?
No, I do it all myself.
You pull the trucks in yourself?
Yep.
Nah, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. Automatic
Truck and
trucks.
trailer.
Automatic
No.
trucks.
18 speed.
You can drive an 18 speed.
Yep.
I actually know the answer to this too. You totally can.
All right, wait. Okay, now, you know too much, Brian, okay? And all
I can't keep a secret.
All right, all I gotta say is, people from the Asian My Show, us Mutha Truckers, we are very interested at this point. I mean, no BS, he really could do an 18 speed.
He honestly probably drives better than a lot of guys I've seen out on the road. He backed in the fuel tanker last night. We were parking trucks. He's smart enough to know, go ahead and flip on the hazards. And it's on our Instagram. I mean, he's watching the mirrors and he backs the thing in, put it in there straight, no help at all, just got it done. Like, and he's 14. I mean, he's like looking out the window like this. But
Dude, okay, what truck? I'm looking around for trucks. I mean, is there a truck?
there's a
18
truck.
speed.
Is an 18 speed. It's a Cummins 565 flat top. I mean, it's brand new. They just got us right out there.
Shoot. All right.
I mean, you want to?
Yeah, I want to see him.
You
I'm
wanna see him
sorry.
drive?
I believe you, Luke. I love you. I believe you. But I just got to see it with my own eyes, brother.
So Mike Manuel's truck's here, and I need to move it. Mike Manuel Trucking, he's got the autism truck out front.
Yeah.
And he's got a new truck he just bought from us, and we can move it over to the line or something and let Luke do it.
Dude, let's do it. Which one is it?
Right there.
All right, let's go.
It's
All right,
the gray stand-up.
All right, Semi Casual is doing too much on their show, man. All I gotta say is, all you Mutha Truckers, if you are not subscribed to Semi Casual, man, you need to, because They got everybody from 30-year-olds to 14-year-olds.
Yeah, driving trucks. And he actually, one of our most popular videos is Luke driving one of the trucks that they had bought and then helping us change the tires on it.
Wait up, that was you?
Yeah.
And at the time he was
That was me.
13. You just turned 14 like a couple weeks ago.
So he
Yeah,
did that when he
April.
was 13.
Yep.
Yeah, he did that when he was 13.
Oh no! All right, wait up. We gotta.
Here's the
let's
weird
hop in.
part. We have to go this side. He's going to that side.
Yeah. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, let me. Are you nervous?
No.
I mean, should we walk around? I mean, this is a full-blown.
Let's walk around this.
280 wheelbase, 389. This is a 565, 1850 torque, 18-speed transmission, 280 wheelbase, 78-inch stand-up.
Let's walk around it.
So
I'm getting nervous. I don't know if I could drive this. You're not nervous, Luke?
No, not at all.
this is easy. It doesn't even have a trailer on it.
I know, right?
No, I've driven 300-inch wheelbase trucks with a tanker on it.
It's like nothing.
No.
What's your best advice for people that might be scared to drive something big out there?
Just do practice. Practice it in a big open lot like here, something. If you got a big open lot, just practice, and you'll get used to it and better.
Oh my gosh, this kid.
And he knows it. He's like, but he's practicing for years. He's like,
I tell you.
just go get in the truck.
Go
Let's
get in the truck. Okay, I gotta watch him just get in the truck, and I'll come back on this side.
All this unlocked. It's all the keys are in.
All right, don't you dare start it yet. We gotta hop on the other side. I gotta see this.
You want the front seat or you want the back seat?
I'll be in the back.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Okay.
I'll
Go
be in the
ahead.
back. I'll be in the back. Oh my gosh. Look at you. I'm like a proud father. I'm not even your father. What the heck, Luke? All right, mother truckers. If any of you were nervous about being a driver, look how small he is.
The seat's bigger than you. You gonna be able to do this without spot mirrors? We ain't put the spot mirrors on it yet.
Yeah, I realize.
Oh, okay.
It'll be a little bit harder, but I've done it before.
Y'all watch him. He'll slide the gears. There won't be any shakes or nothing.
Are we serious right now, Brian?
Dead serious. So earlier this week, I had a bunch of trucks in the lot that we're building on the channel, and I wanted to move them all from one side of the lot to the other just by the fence row. And I gave them the key code to our lockbox and told them to move all the trucks that went to lunch, and they came back and they were all exactly where they needed to be, spaced out like they're supposed to. I mean,
Look at this dude shift. Are you even using the clutch? He's just like floating the gears. Who taught you how to float gears, man?
I learned myself.
so let's just I'm trying to think where we should put it. For now, let's just back it right in here by the Mac.
Oh,
I mean, unless you want to prove it, we can run down the road down here and turn around.
okay.
Just slow so we don't get too much dust.
What we'll do here. Goes back.
Back her up. Saw that.
Are you serious?
Flips the hazards on before he's even in
Oh.
reverse.
Y'all mother truckers can't even see my face right now, man. I am so proud of this man right here.
And so everybody knows we're on private property.
Disclaimer.
This is all our driveway. We're not actually going on a road.
Yeah.
Because that would be illegal. But we'll go down the end of our driveway this way and let them turn around down here and then come back. Good on my end, sir. I'll just probably back it back into that.
On this concrete.
Yes, sir. Turn the AC on this one.
Dying in here.
I mean, like,
I haven't heard anything scratch yet.
nothing.
Here, Brian, film him from this angle.
giving Luke 0 pointers here. He's doing everything on his own. If you mess it up, Mike's gonna be mad at you. This is Mike's brand new truck.
He'll get mad.
Luke's grown up at truck shows since I've been going to truck shows for years and years. I've never, ever. There's not been many truck shows I haven't been to that he's not been at. And honestly, at 14 he knows more about trucks than a lot of people at your age, for sure.
I don't even know what to say, Luke. I just love you, brother.
Yeah.
You just keep on being you, man, okay?
You could probably go over there and he can give you a tour of their new Mack gas trailer. And, he knows how that whole thing operates. Like, understands it.
Yep.
What have we done with our life, Brian? Like, seriously.
This is how it should be. Learning a craft and being good at it and passionate is awesome.
Here, let me get this. Let me have this. Look at this, people. The kid doesn't even touch the damn clutch. Don't tell me. When do you use the clutch?
Only when you putting it in gear.
Oh my gosh. People are like staring like, wait, was that a kid in there?
Was there a kid there?
Oh my god. I love it.
It gives it, for me, like, Luke, and there's a lot of kids out there that are like Luke. It gives me a ton of hope, the trucking industry as a whole, because there's really awesome people coming up in it, and kids like him that are ate up with trucks, that are just like, it's the things that the industry needs. We'll move it later.
There's nobody in here.
Nobody in the truck. He's doing it by himself. There's Fred. That's his little brother.
And he's already in the golf cart.
Yeah, he's riding a golf cart. Fred's 9.
Seriously, Brian.
I know.
Seriously.
Line his bumper up by himself to the Mack.
Look at this. Perfect.
That's the future of trucking.
Future trucker right here. Any advice for all the people out there that want to get in trucking, and all the young kids that want to get into trucking?
God, I think they all should. It's really fun.
What do you
I don't know.
most about it?
I'm just driving them around, and I just enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's fun doing.
You've seen a lot of the country, haven't you?
Yeah. I've been out to California. I've been almost everywhere. The only places I really haven't been is up towards Maine and stuff, but otherwise I've been everywhere.
At the end of the day, Luke, who you want to give a shout out to? Any people in your life that helped you get this far at your age?
My dad, for sure, for letting me drive him and stuff. He's the one that taught me how to. Remember when I was 7, he made me back the truck and trailer, his custom one, into the hardest spot we had at the shop. And that was my first time. He wasn't even in there with me, and I was sitting there shaking, like, don't mess nothing up.
Wait up, so a custom truck and you were shaking at 7 years old? That's natural.
Yeah.
Wait up,
and Bill, and that would have been the orange and white, the cream stick. Man, and that's a nice truck.
Okay,
that's a nice truck.
So when we talk about some custom trucks, can we take a quick look at any custom trucks that you guys have? Let's take a quick walk.
You got 2 over here.
Yeah, let's take a walk. Now this one right here, semi-casual. Did you guys build this?
Both of them, yep.
Both of them?
Well, we didn't completely build them. So we did the paint jobs on them. We did a few things to them, and they're on the channel. And then once they go back, Luke and Zach and Evan and all the guys at their shop finished putting them together. But we did a lot. I mean, we did a good bit. I mean, the paint jobs is a lot of work, and doing some lights and stacks and things like that. But they went back and really finished them up.
Awesome.
These are just factory trucks. There ain't nothing.
Are you telling me these are work trucks?
Yeah, these are work trucks. My dad's my dad's personal truck is a lot
More custom than this?
Yeah. It's still in the shop. We've been working on it. That truck's a
Yeah.
pretty extensive build. It's gonna take a while. There's his little brother. What's up, Fred?
Are you driving trucks yet?
No, not yet.
Next year? Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
He's ready. He's ready. So you want to see the brand new one they just got, like literally this week?
Yeah, definitely, brother.
We just got this one. We all just got this one literally 2 days
We
ago.
washed it last night. It just came out of the paint booth yesterday.
So this is
Wow.
one. This truck will be on our channel, following all of the stuff from the show. But we literally put this together really quick and just to get here to the show. And that truck's cool. Was legendary silver. So I don't remember the name of the blue.
And we don't want to give it all up. You guys have to go to Semi Casual Show
And watch it.
and watch it, and we're gonna give up everything. But right now, we just get a little looky-loo, right?
Yeah. This is their brand. This is their brand new truck. So that's 11 that they've gotten this year.
We talk about work truck here. Is this what the work trucks look like, Luke?
Yeah.
This is
show
their
them.
whole fleet. Their whole
Your
fleet's
whole fleet
all
looks like this?
is all nice.
Yeah. They're not all a paint scheme. They got all different colors and paint schemes where.
Walk us through it, brother.
But this is one of the new ones. This driver used to drive our custom green and white one that the glider kits that we did.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Who's driving this one?
Aaron Benzing.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah. So
So what do we do to this truck, Luke?
it came this legendary brown color. And then we put this stripe on it, sent it to the paint booth and got the stripe put on it. And then we got it back and we put all of our our strapless breather kits, light panels, got these custom wraps or stainless wraps for boxes, tanks, and everything from Steve from Road Skins in Minnesota. Really good stuff.
Don't forget about the fenders.
Got the fenders too, the half fenders, Hogue built fenders.
I know. Those are our friends over there.
Those are our buddies.
Yep. Got this got this Merit deck plate. These are pretty nice. A lot better than the factory ones.
Yeah.
My favorite part of it is the sparkle in the paint.
The legendary brown's a cool color. It's got
Yeah.
gold. It's got gold
Yeah, I can
flake
see
in
it.
it.
Yeah,
It's
it looks
neat.
good.
Yeah.
What have y'all been calling it? The root beer truck or something?
Yeah, the A&W root beer truck. Yep.
Yep, I appreciate it, man. No, thank you for allowing us Mutha Truckers to hang out with both of you today.
Yep.
I appreciate you, Luke. Thank you, Brian, for Semi Casual.
Absolutely.
And if you guys get an opportunity, man, subscribe to Semi Casual, man. They have a lot of amazing content on there. So
Yeah, we're building all their trucks and stuff, and they're fun.
Yep.
And sometimes he shows up and drives trucks and parks them in our lot for us.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.